This video is going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to become a member and join the Coffee Commune today. The first thing you need to do is go to the Coffee Commune website and then go to the top right-hand corner and click the button Join. This then takes you to our memberships page, and if you scroll down, it shows you the 6 different memberships that we have to offer. Select the membership that you'd like to grab. It scrolls down and shows you a description of this membership. Once you have a read, scroll down just below Price on the left-hand side and click the button Join Us. This then takes you to our member registration form. And here you need to decide whether you'd like to join as a business or as an individual. You then need to fill out your personal details, so first and last name, the email that you'd like to join with, your mobile phone number. Here you need to select the industry category that your business or yourself are a part of. For example, I'll choose food distribution. You need to create a strong password and then fill out your address details. Here you need to double check that that's definitely the membership that you're wanting. And then you need to select the box to say you'd like an annual subscription, or if you'd like, you have the choice of a monthly subscription. And then just write a little blurb on why you're joining the Coffee Commune today. And once you've finished that, open up the terms and conditions, and once you've had a read, tick the box to agree to the Coffee Commune membership. The last step, you just need to tick the box to say I'm not a robot, and then select Proceed to Payment. This will then generate your invoice. It will then pop up with a thank you message and let you know that your invoice has been sent to the email that you provided. And the next step is to finalize the payment. So you need to click the box, My Orders. This then takes you to your account page. Here on your accounts page, it will show your name in the top right-hand corner, and then on the left-hand side, it shows you all the different tabs with My Profile, Bookings, Orders, Members, Courses, and your subscription. Here, we're in the Orders tab, and it shows you that you've ordered this invoice for this price and shows you that it's still in progress. So to complete this process, click Pay Now. This then takes you to a separate screen and comes up with your tax invoice. To complete the payment, click the Pay Now button on the top right-hand corner. Here, you need to pop in your card details. So down there, CVV, your first and last name, and the billing address. You then need to tick the box to authorise the Coffee Commune to charge this credit card automatically for future transactions and select Make a Payment. And these are the easy steps on how to become a member with the Coffee Commune. And everyone at Coffee Commune is dedicated to ensuring that we help you to accelerate your potential.